Good morning, guys. Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. We are going to dive into a daily Bitcoin update. So let's just hop straight into the chart here, guys. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So do not blindly follow anything I say or do. And also, guys, if you guys do appreciate the time I spend making these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos that come out when I release them. All right, guys. So as of yesterday's update, there hasn't been a whole lot of movement. We continued what I'm viewing this as our B wave up of our 3 wave in this ugly overlapping ending diagonal is, as I see it right now, again, as long as we're below this 27,667, that's my primary assumption. Now, I cannot get anything out of this structure that's impulsive whatsoever. So I'm not seeing really any impulsive moves, meaning I'm not seeing a signal of a new trend upwards. And quite frankly, I'm not seeing a continuation of a new trend downwards in what we have of this potential ABC. Again, go over this real quick, being our 1 wave up, and then what I'm viewing as an A, B, and then our final C down before moving upwards. This was impulsive down. This was impulsive down. And so far, this is not impulsive whatsoever. So that's what I'm referring to when I say I'm not seeing any characteristics or behavior of impulsiveness in the downwards direction or the upwards direction. So the point of me saying that is, I'm still looking at this as an ending diagonal, which would have the characteristics of a corrective wave, which would have overlap and which would be real choppy. So, that's ultimately why I'm assuming this thing is an ending diagonal. It's an ugly ending diagonal, but that's what I'm assuming it is. But it also still could be a 4-wave. As we know, our 4 waves are frustrating. They're long, they're drawn out, they're choppy. So it is possible that this thing is still some sort of an A, and this is a B here, and then we have a C up before we finish our impulsive 5th wave down. So that still is possible. So even if we do break above this 27,667, it doesn't necessarily signify any type of, reversal yet. Let's look at the bid retracement here. So, even if it wicks above the 50% retracement, it doesn't close and sustain above it, then this, like I said, this still could be, this would be a B, possibly a quick wick of a C, and then a rejection down. So that still is possible. So guys, just because we break above that high, that 27,667, that local top that we've been talking about, doesn't necessarily mean that it's time to ape into a long. The only time it's in my opinion, start time to looking for longs in this structure is if we become, if we break this level, sustain above it, and we become impulsive looking. That's the only time I'll start looking for longs. Until then, I'm looking for shorts. But anyways, my projection at this point still is that this is developing a C wave, and then we'll have one more 3-wave structure up for our 4-wave, and then another ABC down for our 5th wave. Still, main target is low 25Ks. 25 to 25.3-ish or so. It certainly could go deeper, but that's my target as of right now. So, we'll see how it plays out, and I will keep these updated as we go. Have a good day. See y'all later.